Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of avatar not working on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings, then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application here of Telegram, as you see. Then you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We will search about the application of Telegram. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.